Hello everyone, welcome back to another section where I'm going to show you how to start creating a simple web page in Django. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's finish our settings. So I'll go to my site URLs and then I'll double click here and perfect. Then I'll add the include here. That's cool. As you can see, you can just even take a look at this, and you can even navigate to the Django documentation for 3.0. Here you can just copy this link and paste it on your URLs tab in your favorite browser, and then you are good to go. So let's just create a path here. So here, as you can see, let's just do pause, and let's just include then pause dot urls, and that's cool. That's only we need to do in this Python package. So that's perfect. So it's giving us an error because we haven't yet configured our application, and so yeah, so it's still giving us error, but don't worry, it's going to make sense soon. So what's happening here is we are adding our application, we are registering our application URLs in our project. So that's basically what we are doing right now. So that's perfect. And let's just for now, because now I can't right now run the manage. I can't apply migrations. I can't save my applications, right? Because previously when we started okay, so previously when we started, our application was giving us some info that we need to apply migrations, we need to save this, but we couldn't do that by then. So right now, if we try to run migrations, we will run into errors. So let me just show you what I mean. So if I try to say python manage.py make migrations, say we are running into errors, so it's giving us these errors. And sometimes if you are not familiar with Django, you may get frustrated and you can quit, honestly. But don't worry, let's just proceed for now. So what we need to do is, you can see, if we navigate to the pause app, you can see that there is no the URLs package here, so we have to create it manually. So the way to do that is you right click on this folder and then select it. We want it to be a Python file, a file. So urls.py, and that's good. We are good to go. Then let's just import the libraries here, or the packages. So from Django .urls import path, right? So from dot import views. So in other words, what we are saying here, we're saying from the application or from the current directory import views, and we just need to keep it simple for now. So urls patterns, and then we just need to specify a simple path for now. So we are going to say index. So we are going to say here views dot index, and then the name, right, that we want. So we will just keep it index for now. So right now, let's proceed to create a view for this. Because why are we doing this? In Django, if you want to create a web page, you have to follow 3 basic rules. The first rule, you need to create a URL, and the second, you need to create a views, and the third, you need to create a template for that. And mostly in templates, we use HTML templates. So that's the rule that we are following here. That's why you see me starting to work on URLs, and now we are going to work on the views part. So for now, let's just import the HTTP response. So from Django.http import HTTP response. Right, so this, what this does is it allows us to just create a simple web page without going through the templates, because what happens is when we create a view will link to a URL. When you request a certain site or a certain page on the website, then that URL will send a request to the view, and the view will also facilitate the rendering of information that you want through a template. But now we just want to keep it simple, so we are using function based views here. So let's just say def index, and then we do a request. So request, and then we just say return HTTP response, and just say I'll just say hello everyone. So hello everyone. So that's what I want for now. So right now, let's just try to run the local server. So python money.py run server. So right, as you can see, it's still giving us this alert that we have 17 unapplied migrations and things like that. But let's just see if it's working. So as you can see, it's not working for now. But why it's not working for now? It's not like we got it wrong. No, it's correct. All the settings that we have done right now, they are correct. But the problem that if we try to access our application or this info on this URL, on this local port 8000, it won't show anything. Why? It's because if we navigate to our my site URLs, as you can see, we have chosen a path here. That is, for us to get the info, we have to add this pause, right? So if we add the name of our application on this URL, then we will be able to get the info that hello everyone. As you can see, it's giving us that not found, but that's not a problem. So the way to do that, let's just put here pause, and as you can see, if we put a suffix of our in terms of the name of our application, then we will get this hello everyone. It will get rendered out on our web page. So that's perfect, guys. So let me show you something, and we have passed it through this, and we started we did the development. Okay, let me show you something here. Right, so this is the first part. So creating a project, we did that. Django-admin start project my site, we did that. And how to start the local environment, we did that. Python money.py run server, although they tried to start the local server when they created the project, but we just did a shortcut, but that's perfect. Still, you can do that. And the way to create a pause up, let's see, python money.py set up pause, and we did that. And simple, keeping things simple, the URLs, we also did that. And you see here pause in the my site project URLs, we did that. And let's just proceed. Okay, that's perfect. So now see, they are saying if we run this python money.py run server, even here they are giving us they are answering our question. The first time we ran just this part, we got we got an error that the page is not found. But see, they are telling us that you have to run it, you add this suffix here, the name of our application, and then we will be able to see something being rendered out. So basically this is what I wanted to show you in this section. So in the next section, I am going to walk you through how to set up our models. So we just want to start our models and see how it goes. So tune in, guys, and see you in the next section.